Transform your life. Prioritize your health now. Identifying your health goals is the first step towards wellness. Reflect on your current health status and envision areas for improvement. Nutrition plays a vital role in your journey towards wellness. Balanced meals and nutrient-rich foods are your body's best friends. Physical activity is a key component of a healthy lifestyle. From cardio to strength training, exercise keeps your body and mind sharp. Stress can pose a real challenge to health, but effective strategies like deep breathing exercises can help manage it. Self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity for holistic well-being. Spend time in nature, practice gratitude, and take care of yourself. You have the power to transform your health, and it starts with one positive change. Commit to implementing at least one of these tips today. Remember, prioritizing your health is prioritizing your life. Subscribe for more content on holistic well-being. Start today and transform your life.